Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Sierra 3500 HD. Sierra 3500 HD epic power at not so epic price. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, hill descent control, trailer brake controller, electronic stability control, remote engine start, hood scoop, brake assist, traction control, stability control, roll stability control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries.